Like
Right, I'm
it's
gonna throw up
the
a
major important
portal.
things are the vaccines and the tests. And they
I'm
couldn't
gonna
get it together.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw up a
Alright.
portal. Hold on.
And
They,
now that there's so many people wanting to get tested, actually don't know how many people really want it. 'Cause not all, everybody can get tested.
Rich,
yeah.
Rich, you can come along if you want to. Guys are going back to
What's he
campfire. You
doing?
coming?
Okay.
Base, you coming as well?
Yeah.
Rich, just let me
No.
know if you want to come. Okay, we'll leave it.
Hey, send him a friend request. Add him as a friend.
Alright.
He'll wake up and go, who the fuck are these people?
Okay, here we go.
We should all send in a friend request.
Yeah.
Bye.
Shut up.
Yeah, I have the original strap. I just got this a couple days ago. It's just uncomfortable. I wanted to get a better strap. I didn't know they made them though.
So the strap,
Sir, your voice is breaking, sorry.
that one you
Say hi.
remove and you
Say
add
hi,
the
Sandeep.
knee
What
strap,
about you?
and this one's
Okay.
more like it has like a kind of like spinner at the back. You can kind of
Oh,
loosen
that's
it up
dope.
or you tie it up, but it doesn't give you so much. It
I
doesn't give you so
bet
many
you
headaches.
do.
At one point, yeah.
You don't have to whisper anymore.
Pero you said a Best Buy?
Oh,
I bought it at Best Buy.
oh! I thought you
Oh,
were
okay.
whispering because you're in the theater.
Oh,
Listen, I'm gonna guess your nationality, okay?
oh my god,
That's
this
funny.
is
Oh
happening
my
right now.
god.
You're Hispanic.
I couldn't
Yes,
understand
yes, I
why this
am.
guy was snoring and you're trying not to wake him up.
What do you
I'm
mean?
very.
I knew it.
Yeah.
What do you
I'm
mean? I
fine. You good?
knew it.
I knew it because
I knew
it's
it.
hard to tell. It's hard to tell. Your accent is very light.
I think this is
Sorry,
Very light.
Rothenberger's last
Sorry,
cheese.
sorry.
Very light.
Yeah, I think it
Okay.
is.
It's light.
Oh,